Hey everybody, welcome back. It's a beautiful morning. A lot has happened in the garden and I'm going to show you around a bit to show you some updates. So, things have been growing and you might remember that I was quite frustrated last time with the paths because they were pretty weedy and it's a big area, you know. It's not easy to weed a huge area like this. So, as you can see, I put down some plastic sheets as mulch. Last time I was talking about having living pathways instead, so lawn and just using an electric grass mower to keep it short. But then I remembered, hey, I've got all this plastic here, all these plastic sheets. Why not use them and see if it works? So I think to a certain degree, the plants underneath are dying. I have some transparent plastic and some plastic like that, which will exclude pretty much all light. And it will be interesting to see the result of the different types of plastic that I've used. And of course it gets really hot in the summer at the moment, so it should really heat up the plants and the soil and probably kill the plants to a certain degree, maybe the ants as well. And one really amazing result, even now already, has just been that I didn't need to weed so much anymore. So with the remainder of the beds and also the rest of the paths, it's been a much easier to just concentrate on what's left and not having to do everything all the time. So I think that definitely worked out quite nicely. Otherwise, everything's just growing. So I've harvested some potatoes already. They were good. Courgettes are starting to come in really nicely. The beans are growing. I spotted some small melons over here the other day. Oh, look. There's a little baby pumpkin. Let's see, where's the baby melons? There's the baby melons. Cucumbers should be coming soon too. So harvest-wise, I've just been harvesting some courgettes and some peas at the moment. But everything's grown really well. You can see the sunflowers are growing really well too. They're about to flower. All the fruit trees look fine, and I'm pretty happy with the result. So yeah, I'm gonna do another video in a few weeks. I'm sure a lot will have happened until then. It's now the beginning of July, so July and August are really going to be the main months for all the crops. And then we'll see what happens in the future. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.